Have you ever noticed how your shadow on the ground is only two-dimensional while your body occupies three dimensions? Today I want to explore what that tells us about our true nature and the possibility of higher aspects of ourselves. Let's start with something simple, your shadow. When the sun shines, it casts a shadow of you on the ground, a flat two-dimensional image. This shadow is a projection of your physical form, but it only shows length and width. Now, you in your full physical form are three-dimensional, possessing length, width, and height. This contrast is very powerful. It's a reminder that what we see is just one aspect of who we are. If our lower aspect, the shadow, is two-dimensional and our body is three-dimensional, what about the dimensions we can't see? Many thinkers propose that beyond our physical realm, there are higher dimensions that present our inner, non-physical selves. For instance, the fourth dimension is often identified with time, but it might also be a realm where possibilities exist in non-linear ways. In the fifth dimension, we begin to access pure potential, a space where all possible outcomes exist simultaneously. Moving even higher, the sixth and seventh dimension might represent realm of unified consciousness, where the separation between selves and the universe dissolve completely. These dimensions aren't something we can observe with our physical senses. They are accessed through our inner experience, through intuition, and through imagination, the very force that underlies all of existence. Now, think about the sun. We all know it as the source of physical light and warmth, the creator of life on our planet. But what if the sun is also a representation of a higher dimension, the highest expression of our creative self? In this view, the sun isn't merely a star, it's a radiant embodiment of our highest potential. It symbolizes the inner light within us, the creative spark that fuels our imagination and ultimately our consciousness. Understanding that we are more than our physical bodies opens up a whole new perspective on what it means to be human. Just as our shadow is a lower dimensional projection, our full being includes aspects that exist in higher dimensions of time, pure potential, and unified consciousness. To tap into these higher realms and dimensions, we need to cultivate practices like meditation, deep creative visualization, and mindful reflection. These practices help us connect with that inner light, the sun of our imagination, allowing us to experience our true multidimensional self and nature. In summary, our physical form is just one part of who we are. Our shadow shows a two-dimensional projection. Our body is three-dimensional, and beyond that lies the higher dimensions that hold the full spectrum of our being. The sun, both as a physical presence and a symbol, reminds us that our highest self is the radiant creative force of imagination that gives rise to everything. Embracing this understanding empowers us to unlock infinite potentials and truly realize our multidimensional nature. Remember, to explore the higher dimensions of yourself, you need to only look within and let your imagination shine. Thank you for joining me on this journey. And if this resonates with you, share your thoughts in the comments and subscribe for more insight onto our deeper nature. Thank you.